Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Crypto Squid, your go-to channel for all things crypto. I'm Kevin, your guide on this thrilling journey through the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Here at Crypto Squid, we cover it all, from small cap gems to high-profile projects, meme tokens that make you laugh, and NFT ventures that push the boundaries of creativity and more. In this video, I will explain this wonderful project called Nova. Whether you're a seasoned trader, a curious investor, or just someone looking to stay informed about the latest trends, this channel is for you. Join me as we navigate the waves of the crypto sea and uncover hidden treasures together. Now, before we dive in, it's important to note that I'm not a professional analyst. My insights are based on research, experience, and my own personal opinions. So if you're ready to dive deep into that world of crypto, hit that subscribe button and join the Crypto Squid community today. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. See you after the intro. So in today's video, we are diving into Nova. So let's connect our wallet and see what all of this is about. So Nova, and now Nova V2 here, is a crypto trading platform here. We of course can set up our theme and card style, a lot of customization so you can actually set up quick button sizes. And if you are trading on Solana, Nova is the go-to platform to be using here. We of course can see you have your own Solana wallet, and on the Cosmo, we get a real-time feed of tokens throughout their lifespan. So these are live feeds of newly launched tokens on the likes of Pump.Fun and Meteora. Here we can see newly created tokens, and you can see them coming through live in seconds as soon as the tokens are created. This of course gives you a great advantage to snipe a brand new token here. We can see on the right hand side you actually have a quick buy button here. So if you see a pair that you're looking to buy, say there's a new bit of news dropped and you want to buy the first token, you can just do a one-click buy here. You then of course have all of the details with the token name, the ticker. We of course can see who posted it. You can also get some quick info about the top 10 holders, how much percent they hold, how much the dev holds, if there are any snipers, insiders, or if the token is bundled. So you get some quick insight here, which is great. Then of course, about to graduate, these tokens are about to reach the bonding curve. Here we can see 96%, 99%. So these tokens are about to bond. If you don't know how these tokens work, is when a new meme token is launched on, say, Pump.Fun, it has to reach a full bonding curve. And once it hits the bonding curve market cap, it will then graduate and be a fully listed coin here. So that brings us over to the graduated side. And these tokens are then listed on PumpSwap or Meteora. And you can see, of course, once they are listed, you can trade them normally. So a lot of people make a lot of money sniping newly launched tokens or when they first graduate. And if you are trying to do this manually, you have no chance compared to people using trading platforms, the likes of Nova right here. So of course, here we have that real-time feed. What is also very nice is you can have different presets, whether you want to have, say, higher gas fees so your purchases go through quicker, higher slippages, bot protection, and more. Again, the whole platform is completely customizable, which I love. For example here, let's take a look. We have Ira's Law token. You can then click on it here. We can see the trades, holders, dev tokens. Of course, this literally has launched 25 seconds ago, and you already have all of these details. If we take one which makes more sense, we have this token about to graduate here. We can then see all of this data. So we have a top 10 average entry point and exit point. We can see any dev tokens. So if the dev buys or sells, we'll see that on the chart. The same with any snipers. And of course, we get full data and security, so you can take a look at these details. Additionally, if you're on a token, you can take a look at any similar tokens. And of course, we have our quick settings here. So you can turn this to advanced, where you can set your slippage, MEV protection, auto tip, any priority fee, and buy tip. And of course, you can set your purchase amounts just like that. Super, super quick. So of course, Nova is always adding new features here. You of course get your own customizable profit and loss cards, so you can share those with other people. Additionally, there is an earn page, so you can actually track and claim the cashback and referral trading from using the platform. There's a multi-wallet panel, so you of course can trade with multiple wallets at the same time. And token age, of course, you can check how old that is through the wallet tracker and token pages. So many features here. If we take a look at the Ignite tab here we can see choose the filters and find the next runner that spawns. So in the Ignite tab, we can see some early tokens and some surging tokens. So this tab is, you can set this by market cap. And if you are trying to look for a nice snipe or a good token to buy on its come up, this is the tab you want to be looking at. So here we can see property coin. There is quite a lot of volume. We can see, of course, the dev has sold already. And the I token here is when it gets pinged on Ignite. So you can see how recently it got pinged on Ignite. So we can see this one was 40 seconds ago, Japanese yen coin. We can see that ping. And now we can see, of course, people are buying in. Devs are selling. So you want to be using all of these trackers. Of course, we also have sniping here. So if we go on one of these sniping tokens, we can see when it got pinged. So this was pinged on Ignite at $48 million market cap. If you follow that, you'd now be up to $50 million market cap, which is very, very nice. So these tokens, of course, are slightly older, we can see, but it just is looking at searching coins. So maybe an old token that is then resurging and you want to take a look at purchasing it. In the wallet tracker section, you of course can add specific wallets that you want to track, so you can see all of the trades they are performing, whether that is smart money or more. In the monitor section here, of course, you can monitor actually specific accounts and link discords. You of course can then see your holdings, your earnings from trading on the platform, and of course then your Nova points. So if you haven't tried a trading portal, Nova is the one you want to be using here. Again, it's completely customizable, which is great. And of course you have the wallet tracker monitor. You can get real-time alerts for tokens, so you never miss out on your latest trades. And of course you can follow them on socials to keep up to date with everything. You can see, of course, it's fully audited and secure. And again, transaction speed, Nova is top tier versus all of the other trading platforms. And again, especially when sniping a new token, your transaction speed is very important and you want to use the fastest trading terminal. But I hope you all enjoyed this video here today. You have been watching Crypto Squid and I'll see you next time.